Hello viewers, today we will see the basics of Excel in 5 minutes. So at first we will see how to select or detect a cell number. So here you see I select this. So this cell number is B3 and it is shown in here. So this is formula bar. With the sign of is equal to we enter formula here. And there are different types of mouse cursor or mouse point shape. So at first we will see the I-beam cursor. So it means you can enter data inside this cell. So suppose I enter 1 here, 2 and 3, and next is general select. So this sign means it is general select and it helps to select a cell or a range of cells within Excel worksheet. And this sign means the field data. It appears when you hover the mouse pointer over the small square at the bottom right corner of a cell. It can fill data or extend a data series. So next you can see this sign. This means move selected cells mouse pointer. Move selected cells within the Excels. So I move these two cells here, and the next sign is the column and row resize mouse pointer. It appears when you hover the mouse at the border between column or row later. So by double clicking here I resize the column. So I will fill the cells using I-beam cursor. So here by clicking I will see the I-beam cursor. I will enter the data over the row and column. And now we will see the 6 basics formula of Excel, which is summation, minus, divided, multiply, and average and count. So at first we will see the basic formula of count, how to count the numbers in Excel. So here we first use is equal to sign and count and select all the range of column, and by enter we can see the 6. It means that it has 6 cells with number in this Excel sheet. And now next is monthly wages. To summation we just use SUM and select the all cells within the Excel sheets that we want to know. And similarly here again SUM, first bracket, enter the all cells, select all cells and enter. But without the summation formula, all other formula like minus, divide and multiply, we don't need any formula like write SUM or something. Just you select cells minus another cells, select cells, multiply sign, dividend sign and another cell is equal to select a cell, multiply it, multiply sign and enter another cell. And for doing average, enter AVE RAGE, average, first bracket, and select the all columns and hit enter. And Suppose we want to know the difference between average wages and monthly wages. So for this we need to steal these cells. So how to steal a cell in Excel? So suppose we select the monthly wages of serial number 1 minus the average cell. So to steal the average cell, we need to put dollar sign before E and 15, and after enter we will see the result, and by using the field data we will see the entire result of our table. So by this you can easily steal a cell and get your result.